Welcome back to another sneak preview of our groundbreaking course, ChatGPT for Credit Repair. I'm Corey Gray. Are you a credit repair professional struggling to connect with the right audience? Generic strategies just not cutting it? Well, in Lesson 21, we're going to unveil the power of targeted marketing, merging human intuition with AI, specifically ChatGPT. I'll show you how to pinpoint those who genuinely need your services. We're going to walk you through utilizing ChatGPT to craft personalized messages that really resonate with them. All right, we're going to show you how to unleash both online and offline channels for precise targeting using AI. Imagine for a second not only finding your audience, but also speaking their exact language. With Lesson 21, the marketing maze is solved, and your path to growth and client satisfaction is pretty clear. Ready to elevate your credit repair business? Go ahead and enroll now and tap into our targeted marketing with ChatGPT. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment, ask questions, and let's transform the future together. See you on the inside.